It's a tangler, it's a shedder, that's for sure. This is a picture taking unit. I don't know, Sensational. I mean, it's glam bam, thank you ma'am, but the ashy lace and the barely plucked hairline is gonna be a no for me.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. So everything's total, forgiven, so no. So trust and believe me, porque soy yo solo. We're not the same, stay out my lane. You out of pocket, been out of the frame. Your life is toxic, cause all of your topics are profit and losses and pain in the brain. Taking narcotics, maintaining the strain. Smoking exotics and popping champagne. I'm setting fire to every desire. Been burning no brighter than moss to a flame. Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Never been rich, but I count my money. Smile on my face, cause it tastes like honey. Never let a bitch try to take some from me. And I never been a snitch, cause a snake can't run me. Hit him with the 44 times, put a hole in his mind, realign his whole spine. Call it ghost ride, that's a cosign. Old time, if you're lying on my name, I'll leave him lying in a coal mine. Damage, you're handing me scissors, I'm cutting you off and disbanding the pictures and plans that we made, prices we paid. Thought you were a player, but shit, I'm the game. Don't blame me, I'm Monopoly, it's probably why ain't nobody stopping me. This ain't a stick up, so pick up the dice. Hiccup and get up or give up your life. Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a newer unit. This one is from the Sensationnel Butta lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style Ocean Wave 30-inch in the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked, and it does have a 5-inch HD lace center part. It's not really as plucked as I would like it to be. It's not terrible, but it definitely could use some work. I kind of did go in and pluck this frontal part out a little bit because it wasn't hitting the way that I wanted it to. And as you can see, like if you kind of just pull the hair back, it's decent. It's not terrible, but it definitely could use some work. I wouldn't say it's terrible, but I also wouldn't say it's perfection either, so definitely keep that in mind. Now this unit, just like it says in the stock card, honey, this unit is super long. Yes, it does tangle. Yes, it does shed. Girl, this is not even going to be a go out and look cute for a little while unit. This is going to be a sit in the house and take some cute pictures and take it off type of unit, because the amount of tangling and shedding that I'm getting is just too much for me. And I feel like even if you were to cut it down, just the texture in itself, it's very nice. It's coming on the vibe of like a medium Yaki, which I really like. But just the tangling and shedding, I feel like even if you were to cut it down, this isn't going to last super long. So let me just show you what the length is looking like on this bad boy. And I am 5'3" for reference. So as you can see, this hair is not for the faint-hearted, honey. It is a lot of hair, and not to mention the density on this one is definitely a full density. It's sitting between 150 to 180%. It's not super heavy on my head, but girl, it is a lot of hair. Now the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. It does have a little bit of stretch to the cap, and I did adjust the straps all the way, and it's fitting my head very snug. So I do think if you do have a larger size head, this is one you possibly could get away with, but I probably would stay on the side of caution. But if you do have a small to medium sized head, I think this one should not be an issue for you. As you guys can see, my lace, it's not really looking the best today. I don't know what it is about this ashiness. I feel like lately I've been able to kind of snatch it and maintain it and kind of get the lace blended, but for some reason this today is coming off way more white than I would like it to, even with all my concealer and stuff, honey. So definitely know if you're somebody of my complexion, that could definitely be an issue with you, and I definitely would recommend going in with some even lace tint spray in the color of your skin, girl, if you wanted to melt some more. I only went in with my concealer today just because I ran out my even lace tint spray, girl, so I don't know, this is what I had to work with. I probably could have got it to melt better with the even lace tint spray, but this is just concealer. It's not terrible in my opinion, but I do feel like I just want to wear this outside. I feel like when you go outside, that sun hit different, and I would not want it hitting and showing the white cast. So girl, I definitely would recommend going in with some lace tint spray if this is when you do plan on picking up. So let me just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. I don't know, girl. My number one con with this unit is probably going to be the fact that the hairline is not hitting the way that I want it to hit. Like I said, it's not terrible, but it's also not perfect. I feel like they've come harder with a lot of their other units, especially when it comes to the Butta Lace collection. So I'm not really the biggest fan of the hairline, even though I do feel like it's workable. You can pluck it, get away with it, whatever. But I buy these units specifically so I don't have to put all the additional work of plucking and stuff, girl. So you kind of get what you get. Like, this is not hitting the way that I want it to hit. Another con that I have is just the tangling and shedding. It's just too much for me. I'm literally only wearing this unit to do the review. I've just been sitting here. It's been falling. It's been coming out. It's been tangling, shedding. It's a tangler. It's a shedder. That's for sure. This is a picture taking unit. And then my pros on it are, I think it is a really pretty look. The texture is really nice. The body wave vibe going on. The parting space is nice. The fact that it's flat right now. I did go on, I had some heat on this bad boy, and it's sitting the way that I wanted to. So as a whole, I do feel like this one, it's pretty good. It's not too terrible, but I wouldn't pick it up again. And like I said, this is going to be a look but don't touch, picture taking type of unit. So honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up, and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.